Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished creating presentations could be faster and easier, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning, professional presentations in minutes using Presentation AI. Let's dive right in. Just type Presentation AI into the search bar and click on the link below. After that, the Start interface will appear. Click the Next button, sign in, and you'll be inside your Presentation AI account. Here, select the following option to get started. You can choose from multiple options, but select the AI Generate option, and in this field, type what your presentation should be about. The more precisely you describe what you want, the more tailored it will be to your needs. After that, you can choose how many slides you want, and you can also select the language in which you wrote the text, but there's also an automatic language detection feature. Then you can choose whether you want your presentation to be generated immediately or if you'd like to see some information about it first. With the options above, you can access more information about your presentation. When you're ready, click the Generate button, and it will start creating your presentation. Here you can see how your presentation will be structured, step by step. In the section below, you can download your presentation as it is being built, and you can also make edits to it. When you're ready, click the Generate button, and it will start creating your presentation for you. And now, you can simply enjoy your presentation. Or, you can even make edits to it. There are plenty of editing options available, and you can even choose the background style. You can also change the font color, animations, paragraph color, text style, anything you want. You can even add stickers to it and create notes for yourself if you want. If you click this button, you can download your presentation or even purchase the advanced version. And that's it. You have a presentation. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss future content like this. Drop a comment below if you've tried Presentation AI or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.